Hello everyone, I am Manisha. I am a student of American Institute. Today I would like to tell you about UNO. This is a logo of UNO. Okay. UNO full form is United Nations Organization. It was established 24th of October 1945 after the Second World War, and its headquarters New York, United States of America. And when it was established, that time 51 member original member in the UNO. And if we talk about uh, current member, so 193 current member in UNO, and this is a headquarter of UNO. And now I would like to tell you about the UNO main objectives. So first of all, to maintain the peace and international security. Second is the development friendly relation among the nation. Third is the to promote respect for human rights and fundamental rights. And last is the to increase the international cooperation in the economy, social and cultural development. And now I would like to tell you about the United Nations has six main organs. First of all, General Assembly. Second is Security Council. Third is the Economy and Social Council. Fourth is the Trusteeship Council. And fifth is the International Court of Justice. And last is the Secretariat. Okay. So now I would like to tell you about the General Assembly. General Assembly main deliberative, policy making and representative organs of UNO, and its first General Assembly meeting held in the Westminster Central Hall in London. And in this is a General Assembly. That's why all 193 members are attend it. And next is the Security Council to maintain international peace and security. And total member is 15. 5 member is permanent, and remaining 10 members is non-permanent. Permanent member China, Russia, France, United Kingdom, and United States. And permanent member has a veto power. They have a power. They can reject the resolution of Security Council. And this is a whole of General Assembly meeting. Okay. Now I would like to tell you about Economy and Social Council, and we can say ECOSOC. So, ECOSOC work toward three-dimensional continuously development, economy, social, and environment. And in this organ, 54 members for overlapping 3 years terms, and its current president of Lachezara Stoiva, and it is also responsible for the follow-up the major UN conference and summits. And now I would like to tell you about the Trusteeship Council. Trusteeship Council was established to provide the international supervision for 11 territories and promote their advanced self-government or independence. And trust territory. It is a non-governing territory. That's why it took under the UN. And its aim of trusteeship system got fulfilled by 1994 and adopt the revolution on 25th of May 1994, and then he suspended the Trusteeship Council operation on 1 November 1994. Okay. Now I would like to tell you about the International Court of Justice. So it's the principal judicial organ of UNO, and in this organ, 15 judges elected for the 9 year by the UN General Assembly and Security Council, and all of 5 organs locked in the New York, but one is the most organ is locked in the place in Hughes, Netherlands. And this is a picture of International Court of Justice, Hughes, Netherlands. Okay. Now I would like to tell you about the secretarial. So, comprises Secretary General and 10th of the 1000 of UN member of staff UN members in this, and appointment of Secretary General General Assembly for the 5-year terms, renewable terms. So thank you for listening carefully.